Hello, I'm Dilshan. I'm studying software engineering and a first year student at the Open University. Let's start the video. Today I will tell you how to block USB port. All we have to do is press the R key with the start button. Then you will get an alert as shown on the screen. Type regedit here and press the OK button. Then you will get an alert as shown on the screen. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Ask on screen. Click yes. Now open this window. Then press hkey local machine. Now click on system. Then open the current control set. Click on the services. Now find USB STOR. Then you will get a screen like this. Click start twice here. Enter the value data as 4 in the command received. You can now see if the USB port on your computer is working. It is not working now. When we enter 3 again and 3 again on the value data, the USB ports work again and usual. This is the end of the video. See you again in another similar video. Goodbye.